Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 grocery app. Now convert your grocery website on Magento 2 platform into a mobile app for the Android and the iOS devices. Magento 2 grocery app is a perfect solution for the customers to quickly order grocery items from their smartphones and that too on the go. Fully native app gives the advantage of interacting with the mobile hardware features, plus it also provides a more seamless and user engaging shopping experience to the customers. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of the Magento 2 grocery app that we have created for the Android devices. In the next video, we'll be checking out the iOS one or the iOS app for the iOS platform there. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So you can see that I've already installed the Magento 2 grocery app from the Google Play Store on my Android device, and I have the shortcut of the app on my home screen. To open the app, what I need to do is I just need to tap on the app, and that brings up the complete home screen of the app, as you can see. So if I scroll from up to down, you can see the complete grocery app itself, right? So at the very top, we have provided a few shop by categories or top categories here that can be used by the customers to check the products within those categories. Like we have the bakery products, dairy products, fruits and vegetables, spices, pulses, noodles and pasta. Then we have the latest one. Then we have the featured products, hot deals, best deals, new products. Then we have the banners for the offers for you. We have created offers for you section having the different banners. Tapping on any of the banners would take us directly to that particular category there. Then we have the fresh vegetables, cookies. Then we again have food for good health. For good health banners here for spices, noodles, pasta, fresh pulses, etc. To go back to the top of the home page, you can tap here on the back to top button, and that will take you back to the top. Now if I swipe from left to right, here you can see that at the very top we have the option to swipe or we have the option to log into the account there. Then we have the categories, preferences and the other section. Under the preferences, you'll be able to change the currency of the mobile application for the products there. For example, if I tap on that, then you can change the currency as per your own requirement there, as you can see. And let me cancel that out. And under the settings, you'll be able to set up the notifications, whether you want to receive all notifications, or you can enable or disable the notifications for the orders, offers, abandoned cart. You can enable or disable the notification sound, and you can clear the recently viewed products, and you can clear the search history as well by enabling the same, as you can see here under the offline data section there. Now let me cancel that out. Apart from that, we also have the other section wherein you can find the different pages of the website there, like the privacy and the cookie policy, customer service, about us, compare products, orders and returns, and contact us section. And we also have just below the sign in option, we have the categories option. If I tap on that, then we'll be able to see the complete list of categories that are within the store there, within your Magento 2 store, like bakery products, dairy products, beverages, fruits and vegetables, spices, pulses, noodles and pasta. And you can tap on any one of them to find the subcategories and the products within those, as well, as you can see here right now. Let me go back. Now to log into your account, what you need to do is you need to just tap here on the sign into your account. If you want to create a new account, you can tap on the create an account, enter the first name, last name, email, password, confirm the password, and tap on the create an account button. Otherwise, if you're already a registered user on the website there, then you can use the same email address and the password to log into the Magento 2 grocery app by tapping on the sign in with email. Enter the email and the password, tap on the sign in button, and you'll be logged into the account there. Now if I swipe from left to right, here you can see that now I have the dashboard, wish list, orders, downloadable products, product reviews, address books, and the account information section. Now, for example, I want to purchase a product from the Magento grocery app. So what I need to do is I need to go to the particular product. So let's go to the alphabet biscuit, for example. So let me show you the checkout process first within the same. So here we are having the details of the products as well, as you can see right now with the price, and it's in stock. We can change the quantity, we can add it to cart and then make a checkout, or we can tap on the buy now button and then will be redirected directly to the checkout page to make the payment there. So let's tap here on the buy now button. So this way the product would be added into the cart and we'll be directly taken to the checkout page. So we are on the shipping section. Here we'll be choosing the shipping method. Tapping on the next would bring out the section to choose the payment method. As you can see here, if you have any discount coupon codes, you can apply them up as well. And then I'll select the payment method here, and here's the product, that's the alphabet biscuit, and then I'll tap here on the place order button to place the particular order there. So the order has been placed. Let's tap on the continue shopping. Now if I scroll from or swipe from left to right, we have the wish list, dashboard, orders. If I go to the orders, I'll be able to find the particular order that we have just placed. That's the order number 36 at the top, as you can see, with the price as well. And from here we can check the details, or we can reorder, or we can post a review for any of the products that we have purchased. Let's go back. Apart from that, if I go to the dashboard, here we'll be able to see the recently ordered products. As you can see, we can check our address book and we can check the reviews that we have given. And here if I want, I can change the image of my account as well by tapping here on the pen icon that you can see just above the reviews option there. Right, then we have to give the access to the mobile application to take the pictures and record the audio there. And let me go back. And then we have the wish list. Here you will find the complete list of products that you have added into your wish list that you want to purchase at a later point in time. And from here you can add all of the products to the cart at once or one by one as well by tapping on the move to cart button or tapping on the add all to the cart at the bottom right hand corner there. Then we have the orders, then we have the product reviews. So if you have given any product reviews, those reviews would be visible here, and from here you can check your reviews as well, or the review details as well. For example, you can see the review has been posted here. Then we have the address book. This brings up the default billing address and the default shipping address. You can add a new address by tapping on the add new address at the top, or you can edit anyone by tapping on the particular address, and you can edit the address as per your own requirement there. You can make the changes there and save the address thereafter. So these were the account panel options, and lastly we have the account information section. Here you can change the email or the password as per your own requirement and change the first name and the last name for your account. Now on the home page here, as you can see, on the very top end we have three different icons. One is the search icon, one is the notification, and one is the cart icon. So for example, if we add any product into the cart, then that product would be added into the cart. For example, if I go to this particular product, that's the alphabet biscuit, I can tap here on the add to cart button and the product would get added into the cart, and we can see a notification icon for the same that one product is in the cart. Then we have the notification icons. If any notifications have been sent out by the admin from the backend panel there, those notifications would be visible here under the notification sections to the customers, and from here the customers can tap on any of the notifications and can grab the different discounts that have been provided by the admin there himself. Let me cancel that out. Then we have the search icon. Now this search icon provides us with around 4 different options to search a particular product within the store. One is by making an advanced search. Here within the advanced search you need to enter the product name, SKU, description, short description, the price, from, and to values, and then you can search for the product within the store. That's one way. Otherwise you can use the voice recognition to search the product. For example, alphabet. You can see that the product has been searched, the alphabet biscuit has been searched. The other way around is using the search by scanning the text and the images. So let me give you a gist about how the thing for the text works. For example, if I tap here on the text, I'll allow my camera there for the app. Here you can see that the text has been recognized here as alphabet and Christmas, as you can see. Now we can tap on the alphabet or the Christmas word to find the products within the store there. So you can see that the alphabet has been recognized there and the particular search has been done. Now the same goes with the other search option here as well. For example, if I go with the image here you can see that the image has been recognized as food, cuisine, pattern, metal, cookie. Now if I tap here on the cookie, then if there are any products within the store that are having the cookie word within the same, then those would be displayed to the customer there. So you can see that the cookie word has been recognized and accordingly the search has been done within the store and the different products related to the cookies have been displayed to the customer there. So that's how you can do the search by making an advanced search or by tapping on the voice icon for the voice recognition there, or by scanning the text, or by scanning the image there itself, right? So that was about the search, notification and the cart icon. So if I take you to the cart, you'll be able to see the, and within the cart you can see the particular item. If you want to move it to the wish list, you can move it to the wish list. If you want to remove it, you can tap on the remove button to remove it. If you have any particular discount coupon code, that you can apply that up, and then from here you can proceed to the checkout to make a payment by tapping on the proceed to checkout button. As you can see here, you can see the subtotal, order total, tax and the shipping and handling, if any, applicable to this particular product. So right now because the product is in cart, so the shipping has not been applied to the same. Let me cancel this out. Apart from that, you can also go to the wish list directly from the cart as well by tapping here on the go to wish list option at the top right hand corner. As you can see, if I tap on that, then we'll be redirected to the wish list there. To add a product to the wish list, what you can do is you can tap the heart icon on the product there. So here you have an heart icon. So if I tap here on the heart icon, you can see that it has been added into the wish list. Now if I go to my wish list, this particular product would also be listed here within the wish list there. So that's how this particular Magento 2 grocery app works, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. Apart from that, in the top, if I tap here on the bakery products, then the particular category would be open now with the category image, and here you can see that I can list the products as a grid or as a list view as per my own requirement there. I can sort the products using the position high to low, low to high, product name A to Z, Z to A, price low to high, high to low, or we can filter out the products according to the category or according to the price, or depending upon the filters that have been created. And from here we can scroll the particular products and we can check them out, and we can add them into the cart to make a checkout thereafter. So yes, that was much about the Magento 2 grocery app, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding the Magento 2 grocery app, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.